We don't need all that. We're going to be making our own. One of the reasons why I am now pulling all the wiring out, at least on the front end of it. That's it. all the junk wire out. It's time to wrap this up and put it in. I don't think I have enough. We're gonna mount stuff first before we do this one. Damn. All right, I need more wrap. I need more wrap. Well, let's mount this fucking thing in here, man. What? Damn it. Battery died. Got that junk out of there. All right. Now we're gonna be putting the right one in there. It's one of these. It's gonna help out. Severely, it's gonna help out. I'll leave it semi-loose. Because there's one, that's the only one right now, and I gotta put together all the other wires so I can bolt those wires up and then send it back through and get this whole fucking front part done. Done, my friend, done. That's what I want to do. Get this done. Get it done. All right, let's start working on. Don't have any wrap. What I can do is work on the wires and get them ready to be put in here. That's what we can do. Then once I get the eyelets all put on these, then I gotta buy some more wrap because I don't have any more wrap like I thought I did. And then we're gonna wrap this in, but I do need to get another wire for the starter. That's the last wire that I have to change out. Sitting right there, hanging. I don't know if you can see it. It's hanging there. It's the last wire I have to get changed out, and I don't have that particular gauge. So I'm gonna have to get some tomorrow, but I can at least get the eyelets put on this side. And I did get a belt. I replaced it. Yeah, it's too small still. I'll have to get that one tomorrow too. Be right back. I'm gonna go work on these wires. And it's pretty boring watching me put eyelets on wiring, so I doubt you want to watch any of that. So I'll be right back. As you can see, got all the crap wire out. We're going to get ready to button that one up next time. I got the new wire attached to here for the starter, so that's good. So we have everything other than me wrapping up those wires, because we're going to do everything in safety. Wrap it up, get it snuck behind the fender here. You won't have no more wires hanging out up here. We do have the wire separators that we should put on, but we'll do that next time. And then I also gotta go get a different belt. That belt was the wrong one. And then once I get the other belt, once I get the wrap, then we can wrap all this back up, put the starter back in, get the thermostat done, fix that fuel line down there. And what else do I have on this list that we have not marked off yet? Oh, oh, we installed the bus bar, so we can get that one off of there. Yep. Yeah. That list is still there. All right. Till next time. Well, went and picked up the belt, 3 inches smaller, mind you, and it's too big. Well, I called ahead. They don't have the one that's the next size smaller is 45 inches. So we need to figure something out for this belt. One of the reasons we're going through this thing, just a random ground wire just sitting there. Man. But I do have, I'm putting the wire spacers where they need to go. Well, sort of. Just got them snapped in for the moment. Phone got full of memory, so couldn't record everything. But we're about to put tomorrow I'm gonna put the starter wire in, wired it all up, and then I can wrap this whole front end up, get all the wires moved completely underneath this fender, and it'll be done. And then I can slap the starter in. Got the battery cable routed where I needed it. That's perfect. Perfect. But it is now 7:30. We are out of here. See you on the next time.